is the simple meaning of management? Management means managing an activity. Simply, managing an activity is known as management. Okay. Just for example, consider a situation where a person goes for shopping. His primary aim is to purchase what he required at a reasonable price. Okay, that is his primary aim. But he has several questions on his mind. What should he buy? From where to buy? How will he reach there? And so on. Okay, so he has to think these all questions in advance to make his shopping a success. Okay, so whenever we do a work, we should think it's A to Z things in advance, then only we can make that particular activity a big success. So that is management. In the point of view of a business, management means getting things done through others. Okay, let us discuss the definition of management. Management is a process of getting things done with the aim of achieving organizational goals effectively and efficiently. Okay, here this definition focus on mainly three terms. What are the three terms means? The first one is process, and the second one is that effectively, and the third one is that efficiently. Okay, so these three terms makes the management concept. Okay, let us discuss these three terms in detail. The first one is that process. Okay, what is the meaning of process? It is the steps or sequence of functions should be followed by the organization for achieving organizational goals. Okay, so what is the meaning of steps or otherwise sequence of functions? Functions of management, 11th standard also we discussed. What are they? Planning, organizing, staffing, and directing, and finally controlling. Okay, these five functions, it should be performed in sequence wise, then only management can achieve its organizational goals. Okay, so the first one is process, and the second one is that effectiveness. Okay, so the meaning of effectiveness is completing the task within time, or otherwise on time. Completing the task on time is known as effectiveness. Okay, and next one is that efficiency. So what is the meaning of efficiency? Completing the task with the minimum cost. Okay, let's discuss the next topic, characteristics of management. And the first point is goal oriented process. Management is a goal oriented process. It performs different activities or different tasks to achieve organizational goal only. So the prime aim of management is to achieve organizational goal. Okay, so it is a goal oriented process. And the next point is pervasive. Management is pervasive function. Okay, as it is used in all type of organization and all departments and in all levels of management. Okay, so it is a pervasive function. Okay, and the next one, multi-dimensional. Management is multi-dimensional. As I told you, management is managing an activity. An activity doesn't mean only one activity. Management performs mainly three activities. What are the three activities? The first one, management of people, and the next one, management of work, and the next one, management of operation. Okay, so first one, management of people. What is the meaning of management of people? As we know, human resources are the asset of organization. Their satisfaction is very important to the organization for achieving their goals. Okay, so here taking care of individual needs and taking care of group needs. Okay, that is management of people. Okay, and next, giving them motivations, directions. Okay, so through that we can manage the employees or people or individuals of the organization. Okay, so at the time of integrating their effort, we have to give motivations and also direction, then only we can lead their effort towards achieving organizational goal. Okay, and the next activity is management of work. All organization established for accomplishing some task or otherwise some work only. For example, schools provide education, whereas hospitals treat patients. So that particular works should be managed perfectly. perfectly. And next one, management of operation. Management of operation means it is a combination of management of people and management of work only. Okay, so let us continuous process. Management is a continuous process as it is a never ending function. Okay, management continuous till the organization ends. Okay, so it is a continuous process. And next one, group activity. Management is a group activity. Management required the effort of each and every employee who works in the organization and for achieving organizational goal. Okay, so what exactly the management does? The first, whatever the works performed by the purchase departments or otherwise sales department or production department. Okay, so the management, it integrates these all efforts. Okay, these all efforts of individuals and leads towards achieving organizational goal. Okay, so that is a group activity. Management required different hands to achieve or to do the work. Okay, as I told you, management is getting things done through others. Okay, so management depends others to achieve a organizational goal. So management created team spirit in the organization to achieve a organizational goal. Okay, so it is a group activity. And next one, dynamic function. Management is a dynamic function. Dynamic means a changing function. Okay, that means management is not fixed. Any rules or any findings or principles of management is not at all fixed. It can be changed according to the situation. Okay, so the changes, whatever the changes happens in the environment like economic changes, political, technological changes. Okay, so that changes must be adopted in the organization for effective performance. Okay, and the next one is intangible. Management is intangible. That means which management, we cannot see the management, but we can feel the performance of management. Okay.